They used to say time travel was impossible, but the beauty of Premiere Pro is that you actually can go back in time to fix mistakes. Now, you could do a series of undos, and that's Command-Z or Control-Z, depending on your operating system. And of course, you do have the undo in the drop-down menu. But what if I'm not sure exactly what I've done or how far back I need to go? And that's where the History tab in the Project panel comes into play. Now, you won't have a project file for this video because whenever you close a project, your history is completely erased. So just watch along, or if you have an open project that you've been working on, you can see something very similar to what I'm showing you. The History panel is all the way on the far right if you have the default screen layout, and if I click on that, I can see the recent edits I did in sequence. So that helps me one of two ways. Maybe I forgot how I did something, and I can look back and say, oh yeah, I forgot, I did that ripple delete. Now I know why I'm where I'm at. Or I want to step back because somehow I've messed things up and maybe my audio is now out of sync, or suddenly video is not showing up. So I can go back here and simply select the point in time before I made that mistake. And if you notice when I clicked on Ripple Trim, it changed my timeline to that point or that moment in time. And I can go forward if I went too far back. So that's great, and I can continue on from here. One thing to keep in mind is as soon as I make a new edit, everything that happened after that ripple delete will disappear, and all my new edits will start from that point. If you're a science fiction buff, think of it as a parallel timeline that you can't go back and change. So after the ripple delete, I'm going to go ahead and make a new change. I'm going to go and remove this shot right here. If you notice, everything now has changed beyond the ripple delete. I can right-click, do another ripple delete, and I can start building a whole new history and a whole new future.